Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and signing in. First, make sure your iPhone is updated and backed up. This protects data while you change account details. Next, confirm you know your current Apple ID password and have access to your trusted device or phone number for two-factor authentication. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID controls. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected and the battery is sufficient before proceeding to edit account info. Now you'll make the core changes. Tap name, phone numbers, email to update your contact details. When adding an email, you'll receive a verification code. Enter it to confirm. If changing password, choose Change Password, authenticate with your current credentials, and create a strong new password. This immediately secures all connected Apple services. Make sure to review password and security to update trusted phone numbers and recovery contacts, so two-factor prompts continue to finish by reviewing linked services to ensure seamless access. Check iCloud, App Store, and payment methods. Sign out and back in on other devices so everything resyncs under the updated Apple ID. If you encounter verification failures, wait a minute and retry. Network or Apple servers sometimes lag. If you're locked out, begin account recovery via the iPhone prompts or use iForget. Apple. COM from another device. Make sure to have identification or recovery keys ready to expedite regaining access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.